Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted contacts on Android. Let's start the video. First, open the Play Store on your device. On the Play Store, search for Google's Contacts application in the search bar. Tap on Install to install the app. Once the application is installed, open it and give your contact permission to it. Now go to Fix and Manage at the bottom. Then go to Settings. Now swipe down and tap Undo Changes. Undo all changes made from any point in the past 30 days. You can recover 1 month old contacts. So select how many days or time you want to recover old contacts. Tap on Confirm. Now wait for a while, then tap OK. Now all your deleted contacts will come back. It may take some time for these changes to show up on your device.